Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a triangle on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this comment option and shape. Click on this down arrow and select this more shape option, and here you will find this triangle option. Click here and put your triangle here, and here you can say this triangle size, you can increase decrease, also you can rotate it and move in here. At this properties option, here you can change border thickness and you can change this border color also you can add here this fill color, and you can change this triangle transparency you want, and also you can change this border option and make it border solid line as transparency. Yeah, this is in this way you can add as many as triangle you want, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.